Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 25, Acids, Bases and Salts. In this worksheet we will discuss about crystals contain water of crystallization. The shape and color of the crystal is due to water molecules present as water of crystallization. जो crystals के shape होते हैं, different shapes and color, it is due to water molecules present as water of crystallization. Here an activity is given to you to show that crystals contain water of crystallization. कॉपर सल्फेट क्रिस्टल्स आर ब्लू इन कलर. कैसा कलर होता है कॉपर सल्फेट का बच्चों? ब्लू. When few crystals of copper sulfate are heated in boiling tube, it will be observed that the blue color of the crystal vanishes and water droplets are noticed on the wall of the boiling test tube. इसका क्या मतलब है? It means when blue color copper sulfate crystal are heated, its blue color is disappear and water droplets are noticed on the wall of the boiling test tube. When 2 or 3 drops of water are added on the dehydrated crystals, the blue color of crystal reappears or returns. तो जब हम 2 और 3 drops of water add करते हैं तो जो blue color disappear हुआ था वो reappear हो जाता है crystals का. This activity shows that copper sulfate crystals contain water of crystallization. ये एक्टिविटी आपको क्या शो करती है? एक्टिविटी आपको शो करती है कॉपर सल्फेट क्रिस्टल्स contains water of crystallization. Actually, the chemical formula of hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 5H2O. It means 5 water molecules are present in a unit formula of copper sulfate. Copper sulfate crystal contains 5 molecules of water as water of crystallization. Similarly, the chemical formula of sodium carbonate or washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Sodium carbonate decahydrate means sodium carbonate molecule contains 10 water molecules as water of crystallization. And gypsum, what is the formula of gypsum? Formula of gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O. It means calcium sulfate dihydrate contain 2 molecule of water as water of crystallization. Now we will discuss about plaster of Paris, POP, which is called POP. Chemical formula of POP is CaSO4 half H2O. CaSO4 half H2O means it contains half molecule of water as a water of crystallization. It is obtained by heating gypsum at 373 degree Kelvin. So how does the plaster of Paris is prepared? Plaster of Paris is obtained by heating gypsum. Chemical formula of gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O at the temperature of 373 degree Kelvin. When gypsum is heated at this temperature, it is converted into POP or plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half H2O and 1.5 H2O or 1.5 molecule of water is removed. Plaster of Paris is supporting fractured bones. On mixing it with water, it changes to gypsum, which is hard solid mass. तो प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस को हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं बच्चों? प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस फ्रैक्चर बोन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. व्हेन इट मिक्स विथ वाटर चेंजेस टू जिप्सम. जब हम प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस में वाटर ऐड करते हैं it changes to gypsum. ये gypsum में change हो जाती है and gypsum is hard solid mass. Due to this property, plaster of Paris is used for making toys and materials for decoration and for making smooth surfaces. हम स्मूथ सर्फेसेस बनाने के लिए, टॉयज़ बनाने के लिए और मटेरियल फॉर डेकोरेशन, डेकोरेटिव पीस बनाने के लिए क्या यूज़ करते हैं बच्चों? पीओपी और प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस का यूज़ करते हैं. लेट अस प्रैक्टिस नाउ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज what is the color of dehydrated copper sulfate, and write its formula also. So what is the color of dehydrated copper sulfate? When copper sulfate crystals are heated, it becomes dehydrated, and color of dehydrated crystals are white. So color of dehydrated crystal is white, and formula is CuSO4, copper sulfate without any water molecule. Second question, a compound which is prepared from gypsum has the property of hardening when mixed with water. Identify the compound. Compound is POP and write its chemical formula. So compound is POP or calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Chemical formula is CaSO4 and half H2O. Half H2O. Write the equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. Plaster of Paris and water, when reacts together, they form gypsum. So you can write chemical formula, a chemical equation very easily. CaSO4 half H2O plus 1.5 H2O, then it is converted into CaSO4 2H2O. This is the formula of gypsum. When calcium sulfate hemihydrate reacts with water, it is converted into gypsum. Question number 4. Plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture-proof container. Why? Why the POP is stored in a moisture-proof container? POP absorb water molecule and become hard. That is why POP or plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture-proof container. Question number 5. Crystals of substance change its color on heating. Crystals of a substance change its color on heating in a closed test tube but regain it after some time when they were allowed to cool down. So you have to ask, name the substance and write its formula. Name the substance is copper sulfate, hydrated copper sulfate. So copper sulfate contains 5 molecules of water, 5H2O. Name the substance and write its chemical formula. Question second, explain the process involved. कौन सा process involved है बच्चों इनमें? Process involved है इसमें molecules of copper sulfate contains 5 water molecule as water of crystallization. Thanks for watching.